So, hello mga Mars. Magandang araw. Yes. So, I'm Mars Mejia, and for our video today, it is my third session of DIY TCA cross with Microneedle. And I divided the videos in three parts. We have part 1, part 2, and part 3, of course. Sure. So, because I had emergency and had a problem while doing my TCA or while filming the video, and that's the reason why this video is very short. So I was not able to film the whole process, so I'll tell you the story, but not the emergency. It's personal, char. So I'll tell you the problem that I had while doing my TCA. So let's start. So this is the second time of me using syringe as an applicator. So the first time that I used it, the only problem that I had was the solution is continuously dripping. So what I did before, I decided to just dip the needle of the syringe on the solution, and it worked perfectly. And I loved it. As I mentioned with my video before that, I will now use syringe as an applicator for my next sessions. Yes, but what happened on this video was stressful. So the needle on the syringe that I use was not getting any product or solution, so I have no choice to use the syringe as normal. If you know what I mean, you know how to use syringe, right? So what happened, so the solution was continuously dripping. So while I'm applying it on my face or on my scar, it drips tries on my cheeks. So because of that, I did panic, or nagpanic ako, because that's the number one thing that we should avoid in doing TCA. So kailangan hindi siya mag-drip or tumulo. So, ang ginawa ko na lang is pinupunasan ko siya agad ng towel. Pero, salamat na lang din kasi I was able to get the hang of it. Char! So, kaya yun, hindi ko na siya film kasi yun nga, I had emergency din. Kaya, tinapos ko na lang siya off-cam. Tapos, film ko na lang yung mga bago kong skincare products kasi I stopped using Beauty Derm. So, I'll create a review video soon about Beauty Derm. Char! So, ang gamit ko na ngayon ay itong Hello Glow. So, yun lang naman yung kuda ko for this video. So, panoorin nyo na lang yung part 2 and 3. Explain ko doon kung bakit may mga part 2 and 3 pa. So, by the way, so thank you so much sa lahat ng mga supporters and new subscribers po natin. If gusto nyo po akong samahan sa aking skincare journey, especially doing DIY TCA, just subscribe and join our family. So, yun lang naman po, mga Mars. Thank you so much. So, wala na akong maisip, kundi magpasalamat talaga sa inyo. Maraming salamat kasi meron na tayong 50 subscribers, which is malaking bagay na siya para sa akin. So, maraming salamat talaga sa mga bagong subscribers. If gusto nyo magpa-shoutout, kahit konti pa lang tayo, mag-comment lang kayo. Thank you. Bye!